Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. What's your name?
Babu,
Mambo. Where are you from?
Gambia.
Gambia. Wow, very good. Yeah.
You from Turkey?
Turkey. Yeah.
You can speak Turkey.
Turkey. Turkey. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it right? As you know, it's nearby Greece and Bulgaria.
Yeah, I say Turkey.
You first hear like Tokyo, like
Yeah.
Japan, but I don't look like Japanese, right?
Yeah.
So
Just wanna go home. Eat.
okay, enjoy your meal.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Are
you.
you from Jin?
Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yes, guys. Now we are in Mong Kok district of Hong Kong, one of the vivid and live place of Hong Kong. And let me show you that street over there is called as Argyle Street. Yes. Let's keep walking like that. Yes. This street called as Portland Street, as you see, guys. Portland Street. And the street over there is the Argyle Street of Mong Kok area, Mong Kok district. Actually, you can see that Mong Kok MTR metro station C4 exit C4 is here, as you see, guys. Yes, this one is the C4, and here we see the Langham Place. As you see that, the offices on the shops, it's like shopping mall, and also there is one hotel, as I know, and also there are some like business offices, commercial offices around here. And here is the Argyle Street, as you can see. The rain has just stopped, and we are walking in the Mong Kok district of Hong Kong.
Mà em đi cà lẹ ở ca gì? Cố gắng. Không, chỉ là sao liệu chị?
Yes, as you see that, the neon lights everywhere is a very lively street, and the red taxis, the caps of the Hong Kong, as we can see here, guys. We keep walking in this direction. Some Chinese style restaurants around here.
Đi châu mà.那你打电话过来说副驾驶没有办法，他从那个呀。
And this building is the Grand Plaza. Also, there are some shops you can find here, guys. Langham Beauty. And here, like Masikio, Manning's, Grand Plaza are all in the Portland Street of Mong Kok district of Hong Kong. So it's about 11 p.m. at the moment, but as you see that still people are on the streets. It's very live. In Hong Kong, guys, when you see like this kind of like the cross, it means that the pharmacy. They sell medicines and also some similar equipment. As you can see, some exchange offices around here. And again, we can see the lively environment here. Portland Street. Oh, here we go. Some chicken, maybe Peking duck, and the chef is cooking at the moment. And here we see the foot massage. Famous foot massage reflexology. It's actually all around here. You can find the foot massage saloons, places, and Chinese style restaurant, and all the area, the neon lights, as you can see, guys. Malay hot pot, Malay food, traditional Chinese noodles. You can see here, guys. Here we go again. The foot massage. Yes, guys. Now we explored some part of Mong Kok, but we will continue in the other phase, next phase, because it's really a big area to explore. Thank you, Peter. By the way, it's one of the most wide live place of Hong Kong that I can say. Here is going to Nathan Street.